So here, could you check these out? Check these out. So ahora seguro. Hay problemas, pero yo pienso que es mejor aquí, que es más seguro, menos cosas para problemas futuro, menos puertos mejor.
Are they gonna paint them?
No, we're not painting them because the paint burns right off. We don't need them painted. So this cage here, the base, keep it off the ground. The cage here opens up to clean out the bottom. The section up here is where the fire comes out. We have 20 of these made. We're talking to Guillermo about making 30 more. And we're going to deliver these to the indigenous in the mountains, the jungle, the beach, to help them have stronger fires, less wood used, different materials. And we hope that people can go from community to community with these stoves and very easily trade, share, and use them to cook what they do mainly here, a lot of large pots, lots of different coladas, soups, meats, and this technology should make it much easier for them. We're going to give these to people for free after you help us with this Indiegogo account. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Gracias.
You got some wood? You want to start fire ones?
Yeah, hacemos una fogata.
Yeah.
Posible.
Make sure they work. Guillermo necesita. Oh,
Invento. Insta flame. Yep.
go. Wind blocks, so kind of have an advantage.
I don't want to do too much.
No, I think it's fine.
Don't have to.
Woohoo! Breathing gas.
Yeah, I always breathe gas.
Also, that rack is meant to help cleaning as well.
Yeah, get the ashes down.
Yeah. That's the one thing that I was having trouble with mostly was the ashes. Hard to handle. Got too many. The one thing that we're gonna, people is getting the right materials. Big pieces don't fit in here very good.
I see. I don't know why they don't just put it on the ground.
Está bien, vamos a hacer uno por la casa, unas pequeñas, menos. Quiero funcionando mucho más. Es funcionando.
Yeah.
It's just small. It's gonna cut it in half if we have that one.
Yeah.
Palos también no están.
Y también arriba.
Cool. Cuidado.
So does it say burning day?
Se prendió, se apagó.
Does it stay burning?
¿Se prendió? Sí,
Well,
yo.
without burning, yeah.
That's probably the way you start it. Once you get it started, then you feed it into this, and it'll just be another fire. It has to be drawing heat.
Well, that's why we should have done this before we made all this.
Well, we did.
Well, there wasn't enough wood in there, so I went out. I mean, you can pack these things.
We ran a test in this thing and it worked good. We didn't have a door on it, but it was the exact same one.
Even my small one wasn't a pain in the butt. You just constantly just have to feed it.
And necesita leña. Cuando hay leña, then
Leña.
primero.
Tarjeta.
No, yo tengo tarjeta.
Ah, sí.
Yo tengo. Es mejor aquí. A los amigos. Es horrible cuando habla con una persona y no conoce todo el nombre. Es horrible. Like invitador. Si sin pinta, es cuando hacemos pinta.
Yeah.
This one was painted.
Yeah.
Look at it. Now you could get a better paint, but
Fire paint.
But it's more money, and I don't think we need to put more money in there. This works.
Put a cool stencil on there.
Yeah, we need a fogata film stencil. That's what we need. Or metal. Ella visita por 6 meses. Viven en Estados Unidos. Y el estadio más norte de Estados Unidos, estadio Washington. En las montañas también. Es bonito. Mucha lluvia. En el invierno, noviembre, diciembre, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, bastante lluvia. Todos los días.
Aquí no llueve nada.
Sí.
Nada aquí. Queremos. En la montaña toda la gente quiere lluvia. Yo también, no gusta polvo.
All right.
All right.
Plenty.
Vamos para la mercado. Bien. Muchas gracias por la ayuda y energía a todos. Que vamos para feria. Chao, amigo. Adiós.
Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego.
Gracias.
Cuidar el nenito.
Sí, siempre.
Ha sido un gusto, pues no. Pase bien. Hasta luego.